In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Republic Bank branches and ATMs near you, step by step. It's pretty straightforward, but it's always helpful to go through the process in detail, ensuring that everyone can follow along and find exactly what they need without confusion. To start our journey, the first thing you'll want to do is open up your internet browser. Once that's done, head over to Google and type in the search bar, find Republic Bank branches and ATMs. This is a simple way to get started, as it'll lead you to the resources you need without having to guess your way through multiple options. If you're concerned about accuracy, don't worry, Google's algorithms do a fantastic job of bringing up the most relevant links. Now that you've landed on the results page, look for the link that directly mentions Republic Bank. It should stand out as being the most relevant to your search. Click on that link, and it'll take you over to Republic Bank's site specifically dedicated to locating their branches and ATMs. This is where the main part of your search will happen. Once you're on the Republic Bank locations page, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. This is your tool to pinpoint the nearest branch or ATM. All you need to do here is enter your address or zip code, and the system will work its magic. It's a good idea to double check the information you enter for accuracy, ensuring that the results are as close and convenient as possible. After you've entered your address or zip code, hit the search button. The site will then display a list of nearby Republic Bank locations. The map layout is handy here, as it visually shows you where the branches and ATMs are relative to your entered location. This can be particularly useful if you're in an unfamiliar area and want to get your bearings. You'll generally see details for each location, such as the address, operating hours, and available services. This extra information is crucial if you're planning a visit, as it helps you choose the most suitable branch or ATM based on what you need at the times you need it. To wrap it all up, remember that while technology makes things easier, it's always wise to double check any travel plans or times before you set out. Accessibility to on-the-go banking is a huge convenience, and with this simple method, you can ensure that you're never far from a Republic Bank service point whenever you need it. Happy banking, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy guides like this one.